Hi, this is Lindsey Casso. I'm here with Eric Schrader today. Eric is a communications major at Southern University and he specializes in video production. And Eric is going to show me how to edit a video using Final Cut Pro. So Eric, what exactly is Final Cut Pro?
Well, Lindsay, Final Cut Pro is a professional non-linear editing system, and it was developed by Apple. And it's pretty much the norm. It's used by many Hollywood film editors, and yes, I do use it here. I have it on an iMac at my home, and we're just going to show you how to basically capture footage and edit it down. We have with us right now a mini DV video camera, which you can buy at places like Circuit City and Best Buy. And attached to the camera is a FireWire cable, which connects to the computer. We're using digital mini DV tapes, but I've also edited with HD high definition material as well.
So Eric, can you tell me how you actually capture video so it's on your computer and you can start using Final Cut Pro?
Okay, well, to capture the footage, you go to the top left-hand corner of the screen, and where you see File, you click on File, and you scroll down until you see Log and Capture. When you see Log and Capture, you click it, and a screen pops up. On that new screen that just popped up, there is a button that says Capture Now. And while we play our footage from the camera, we click Capture Now. And what that's doing is importing the footage to the hard drive on the iMac. Okay,
well that seems pretty simple, but then how do you view the videos once they're actually on the computer?
Well, as you can see, we just finished capturing. To the left of the screen, there's a display window titled Browser, and in there is Sequence 1 and Tape 2. Tape 2 is the tape that we just captured. If you double click on the footage, it brings up our first shot, which is a classroom full of students. Now, if you want to start playing the footage, if you notice to the bottom of it, there's a play button in the center. And if we were to hit play, the footage will start to roll, so you can actually view what you have just captured.
Okay, well I think I'm starting to get the concept of this. But say I only want certain parts of my clips, and I want to edit it or trim it down. What do I do then?
Okay, I understand what you're saying. What you want to do is play the clip back from the beginning. The two keys that you're going to use are the keys I for mark in and the key O for mark out. When you're playing the clip back and you're ready to mark in, you hit I. When you feel that the clip is over, or this is the particular part where you want to end, you hit O for out.
Okay, great. Well then how do I create a sequence with the clips that I have trimmed down?
Well, now that we set our in and out points, what you do is you go up to the actual footage and you hold down the mouse. And what you do is you drag the footage to the right side of the screen, and you'll have more displays that pop up, and one says insert, and all you do is just drop the footage and insert, and if you notice, it drops it onto a sequence timeline on the bottom of the screen.
Oh, okay, that's cool. But then now that I have a single shot on the sequence timeline, how do I add a second one to start creating the actual film?
Well, you basically learn how to do that. You're going to be repeating the same steps over and over. You're going to go through your footage, and you're going to keep hitting your ins and out points, and you're going to keep dragging the footage to the right side of the screen and inserting it where it will drop it into the timeline again. And once you start doing that, you're basically building your movie.
Okay, well, now that I have actual clips in the sequence timeline, how do I play back my movie so I can view it?
That's easy. What you're hitting is spacebar on the keyboard. When you hit spacebar on the keyboard, on the right side of the screen, a window appears where it will play back your entire edit.
Great, now I'm starting to actually understand the concept of all this. But just say I want to save my work so I can come back, you know, and continue to do the project. How do I save it on Final Cut Pro?
Well, it's just like any other software that you may use. Say for instance, Microsoft Word. Just like Word, you go to the top left of the screen, you click File. When you click File, you'll see Save or Save As. Since we haven't called this project anything, we'll click Save As. And in Save As, there's a part where you can name your project, and we'll say that this is Lindsay's project.
Well, thank you, Eric, for showing me how to do this. Hopefully now this will be able to teach other people how to use Final Cut Pro in a simpler way.
You're welcome, Lindsay.